In this tutorial, we are going to create this video. So first of all, we want to create our background. So we're going to import the text, Windows plus colon key, symbols, and the square icon. So we're going to extend it and shift this. So you're going to set the aspect ratio to any aspect ratio of your choice. I'm going to be using 4:3. So we're going to copy this and paste this. Then we're going to go to the color picker and pick this color. We're going to compound clip, video, max, then we resize. Then after that, we're going to import our football, place it on top and reduce the size. And after that, we import a text, then we write football match. Change the color to black, select a font, then reduce it and place it under. Then we're going to do the same for the price. So after that, we go to the opacity and we reduce the opacity. So after that, we head over to animations and look for slide up. So we're going to increase the animation, then we're going to increase this to the end. Okay, I'm going to highlight and compound clip. So we now have this. So what we're going to create now is the pop-up effect and the bounce effect. So we're going to add the first keyframe, add the second one, then go over to the first one. I'm going to reduce the size, add a blend keyframe, and another blend keyframe. Then we're going to head over to the second one, and we're going to increase the size. So we can add the curve preset, and we have the animation like this. So to add the bounce effect, we're going to head over here, add a keyframe, add another one to increase it, then add a curve preset. So we now have the animation bouncing. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this and we're going to duplicate it into 3 to create the remaining animations, so that the keyframe and everything is going to have the same effect. So we're going to disable this, then go over here and change the assets I'm going to use this, increase it, and change the writing. Do well to follow my steps, and let's change everything inside. So we now have this animation looking like this. So all we need to do now is to add keyframes to all of them. So we're going to compound clip these two and disable it. Then I'm going to head over to this one and we're going to add a starting keyframe and shift it to the left. Then we're going to add a curve preset. Then we're going to enable this one and shift to where the keyframe ends. Then we're going to head over to the second one, add a keyframe, add a keyframe to the second one, and add another keyframe for both. Then we're going to highlight these two, we're going to shift it. Sorry. Then we're going to apply curves to it. So we're going to enable this one and bring it to this place. Then we're going to shift it a little bit. So we now have the three of them like this. So we're just going to add motion blur to stop the animation from lagging. If you're using a low-end PC, do well to add motion blur to all of them. So as you can see, it's still lagging because I am recording and editing the same time. So there's a mistake in the font. So So we're just going to head over there and make changes to all of them. In case you want to make changes, you can just open back your compound clip and then make changes to all of them. If you cannot see it, or if you want to see what you're doing, you can change the color to white. Okay, so we're going to be creating the second animation. So what we're going to do, we're going to add keyframe to the first one. Then we're going to take it down, or as you can see, it's not in a straight line. So we're going to disable this and head over to the Y, the position, I think X or Y. Then we're going to keep increasing the figure till it's out of the screen so that it's on a straight position. Then we're going to apply a preset curve. Then we're going to put this in the middle and do the same thing for the second one. So after we've gotten this, we're going to head over to the first animation and we're going to make some changes. So we're going to head over here and this is where we want our animation to start. We're going to head over to max, add 2 keyframes, and we're going to reduce the size. So we now have the animation looking like this. We're going to apply a preset curve, then we're going to go back. Then I'm going to extend this. So we're going to add a little bit of animation to this. So we're going to head over here, add a keyframe, add another keyframe. Then we're going to head over to position and we're going to take it up. Then we're going to apply a preset curve. So once we have gotten this, we are going to head over to the text animation. So we're going to head over here and add our text. Be able to follow every step that I took here, so you can be able to have your text arranged properly.